two men who are known for their incredible resiliency, their incredible endurance. And I guarantee you that is going to be put to the test here.
My God. Going up top on the shoulders of John Cena. AJ Styles trying to get out of this predicament.
Styles fighting out of it.
Uh-oh. No way.
Goodbye, WrestleMania.
Boom!
Black bomb.
Cover! Cena kicks out.
Wow.
What is AJ Styles thinking about here from the outside?
Whoa!
Oh!
Cena got the knees up.
Right to the ribs of AJ Styles.
Amazing wherewithal by John Cena.
And now Cena again. Styles up on his shoulders. Hey!
Cena rolling through for insurance.
Cena was no doubt at Styles.
John Cena was trying to make sure of things, and AJ Styles managed to escape.
Wait a minute, look out.
Oh! Into the steal.
John Cena just barreled through the steel ring stairs. Styles barely out of the way in time.
Valuable time for Styles. Who's to say Styles doesn't just take a count-out victory here?
You're absolutely right, Byron. That way would stay a fatal five-way, but AJ Styles waving off the official.
AJ told the referee to stop counting.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Cena! And to the table! Styles through the table! And Cena, you can see the frustration boiling over, and again, puts Styles up for the AA.
Rolls through. Calf crusher.
He's got it.
Crusher applied.
It's cinched in.
AJ Styles, is he gonna get John Cena to tap out?
Cena's WrestleMania dreams could be slipping away.
Looking back at that WrestleMania sign, said he was gonna pave his own way to WrestleMania, no matter what.
Look.
What?
How?
Freakish strength on the AA. Cover. Cena is going to Fastlane.
Here is your winner, John Cena! The franchise player had his back against the wall, but we will now see John Cena at Fastlane in 2 weeks as part of a six-pack challenge for the WWE Championship.
What an incredible match from... Oh no.
Oh my God.
What do these two want?
Kevin Owens and Sami Zayn, Byron, just realized their odds just went down a percentage thanks to John Cena.
Corbin!
Baron Corbin. Every man that was involved in this WWE title match at Fastlane, things just got worse thanks to John Cena.
Oh no, their chances were just decreased at Fastlane.
Here comes Dolph Ziggler.
Super kick. And now Ziggler swinging at anything that moves. Super kick to Zayn.
Dolph came out here earlier on tonight and made a statement. Looks like he's trying to make another one.
Ziggler, a shot to the WWE Champion. Cena with the AA.